Coming up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting Hermes unboxing plus giveaway. Now I have a couple items to unbox with you guys from my last visit to the Hermes boutique, and the giveaway, that will be at the end of the video, so be sure to stay tuned. Now before we get started, I'm Jamie, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Okay guys, let's get right into the unboxings. So a couple days ago, I went to the Hermes boutique to go see my essay, and I picked up a couple of items, so I thought I'd show you guys. We'll start with a beauty item. This is actually something new that I haven't got before. I will show you guys this here. And yes, it is a lipstick, and you guys know I love the lipstick, but this formula is the shiny satin lipstick. So you can see it's a little bit of a skinnier tube, and the color I picked is the Rose Epice. They describe it as more of a terracotta. I'm actually wearing the regular satin formula in the Epice right now. I'm curious to see what the difference is between this one that I'm wearing versus the new one that's more in the shiny formula. I assume it has more shine, but I'm really excited about it. So I'll just show you two really quick so you can see how the tube looks a little bit different. I had the tube in the bathroom. So here we go. We have the tube. This is the satin lipstick formula that I love. And I would say that Epice is probably one of my all-time favorite Hermes colors when it comes to beauty. And then you can see here how the tube itself, it's a little bit taller and skinnier. So this is what I typically wear. And then the bullet here, so I'll be trying that out. It does look a little bit different, right? Yeah, so excited to try that out and report back. I saw the new formula with the shiny, and I haven't tried it before, so I'm curious to see what the hype is all about with this one. This guy, this cutie here we have, and this one is the Jardin sur la Lagune, and I picked this one. This is by perfumer Christine Nagel. Isn't this such a beautiful bottle? First of all, I think it's just so pretty. And they describe this as floral and woody. I love both type of notes here. It's really nice. It's really clean. Those of you that have this line, I honestly want to collect all the rest of them. Since I liked Berenia, Christine also did Berenia. I'll grab that for you guys too. I got this during Christmas, if you recall, and I'm obsessed with this fragrance. I was like, let me just get this one that she developed too. She developed this back in 2019, so it's been around, but let me know if you guys have other recommendations from the Jardin line. Like I said, I think Mediterranean is the one that I'm looking to add next, seeing that we're almost at spring and summer. I think that might be the perfect fragrance. These are just easy fragrances to wear. So excited to add this one to my collection. And next up we have what looks to be a shoebox, right? For those of you that know these boxes. So we're just gonna do a quick reveal. So my essay had to order this. If you saw on my Instagram, when I went upstairs in the Chicago boutique, they had a version of this, but more in a flat version, if that gives it away for you. I totally was obsessing over this one. I love this style. There's a hint there because I have a couple of this one, and of course I thought this was perfect for the spring and summer months. I am so excited to show you guys this here. Of course we got the beautiful dust bag. Here we go, ready? It's such a beautiful, beautiful sandal. Look at this. This is the Oasis sandal in the beige, and this is got the fringe with, it's the linen. I love it. They describe it on the website as a linen canvas, and you guys know I love the Oasis sandal. I get my Oasis sandals in a size 38. I think that's the best size for my foot. I'm either a 37.5 or a 38, depending on the shoe and the brand, right? This is, to me, the perfect sandal. I could probably even wear this with what I'm wearing today. What I love about this is very similar to the one I got last year, and it's in the denim. In fact, let me grab that for you guys. Look at this. Got the denim version, and to me these two are perfection for summer. I love the style, the look. It's so casual chic. I love it. So excited to show you guys. They have this, of course your SA could probably order it for you, but they do have the flat version, the Santorini. That one is in the stores, and I just really like a little bit of a heel, right? So this one, to me, perfect. Okay, this one is my last one. I will tell you guys that I've been really loving a lot of these soft muted colors. You guys know on this channel, I'm big into those muted colors, but Hermes, they make some magical colors, and right now a lot of these light pinks, light yellows, blues, I am all about that. I think when it comes to even my wish list, I'll be updating it so it's going to be reflective more of those, like I said, the lighter shades than even more of the brown family, believe it or not. But I thought in the meantime, I have this beautiful, beautiful scarf. Here we go. Look at this one. And this scarf here. Wow. That is so beautiful. It's the first time I'm seeing it since the boutique, and this is called Please Hold the Line scarf in the 90 size. I fell in love with the colors. My SA knows that I'm really drawn to these pale shades, and she showed this one had all the beautiful hand rolled. You can see it's a blue on the edge there, and then of course the print. So the colors you're seeing, rose pale, love rose pale, mauve pale, I love that. And then that blue seal color with the pops of the orange. To me, this is just perfection. So excited to wear this one, especially now in the weather starting to warm up a little bit. It's a nice touch, classy pop of color. I'm kind of obsessed with this one too. It's perfect for like office days. I'm excited to style this one, but I love it. This was like the perfect type of scarf. I don't have this type of colorway in a scarf yet, especially in that rose pale colorway. So this is perfect, and I would love to add, like, say Kelly 25 in like that mauve color, light pink. I think that would be beautiful. So that is it for my unboxing. So let's talk about the giveaway, shall we? I have a Brenia for you guys. You guys love this fragrance as much as I do. I think I want to give you guys the opportunity to experience this. I've been really on a fragrance kick lately. So this is a gorgeous fragrance. Like I said earlier, Christine Nagel's perfumer for this. I think it's one of my favorite H fragrances. So I will have all the rules for you guys below. Be sure to like, subscribe, add a comment, and note what was your favorite item from today. And make sure you put in your email or your Instagram handle so I have a way to reach out to you. And then you can also have an additional entry if you follow me on Instagram. I'm so excited to give this one away. It's a 1 ounce, very nice size. And like I said, this is a beautiful fragrance. Okay, well, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below. Join the giveaway. Let me know what you think of my unboxings, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.